Yes, hello everyone. Today, welcome to today's class. Today we're going to study about, today is day 11. Today is day 11. Today is day 11. Day 11. Today is day 11. Uh, yesterday, yesterday was day 10. Yesterday was day 10. Yes, just a brief recap about what we studied yesterday. A brief recap about what we studied yesterday. Yesterday we studied about clip path. Studied about clip path. Yes, this one here enables us to make various shapes in the browser. For example, like a square, a rhombus, a parallelogram, a star, all those shapes which we can use in the browser. So members, if you didn't study this yesterday, you will really miss a lot. I would hope that you can go and look for this video. This is day 10. Then you start about clip path. Yes, that was just a brief recap. And today, in today's class, we are going to study. Today's class we are going to study about. Today is day 11. We are going to study about cards. Guys, we are going to study about cards. So cards, this is another important concept that you really need to know. Okay? Okay. So this one here, cards, we are going to study more of something. I'm going to teach you something about. We're going to dive deep and I teach you about something about parent container, and we're going to look at the child container. And you must understand this principle very well. Guys, you see this? You must understand this principle very well. It's going to guide us throughout our study. Okay? Okay. So, members, I would like you to keep notes. Keep notes of on day 12 we are going to study something. Also, on day 12 we are going to study something about GitHub. And day 13 we are going to study something about. And day 13 we are going to study something about hosting. This is hosting your website or your website online, where people can see it and even search about it. We're going to talk about hosting. Hosting, you see? So keep note of this. So if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please like you to hit that subscribe button. Then you don't miss up any of the upcoming videos. Don't want you to miss any of the upcoming videos. We want to study about GitHub and hosting on day 13. So you keep note about that. Okay. So in today's class, we are studying about cards. This is another important concept. So I'm going to show you something here, and I'm going to go here and say buy a house. I come here maybe on Gigi Uganda. So members, something I'm seeing here. Members, are you seeing something I'm seeing here? Do you see this thing here? Do you see this card here? Let me even first take a snipping tool and I show it to you very well. Let me snip it out. New. I'm going to snip this out. Okay. File. Save as. I save it as card. Okay. Where is it? It's here. So I may even copy it. I bring it here. So members, I want to show you this. This is what they call a card. These cards here, we use them in various things. We use these cards when we're advertising houses, when you're advertising products, for example, a fridge, when you're advertising a television, when we want to sell anything online, we use what they call a card. Members, are you getting that? So this principle of a card is very, very, very crucial. It is very crucial, guys. Okay? It is very crucial. So I want you to, we are going to study about something like this today. It is the principle of the card. Members, you see this? It looks like this originally. It's like this. Members, are you seeing it? Originally, it's like this. Are you seeing it? Maybe I've not done it very well. I think let me repeat it and you see. Let me repeat it and you see very well. File, save as, card. Yes. So here, let me remove this. I come here, I copy this card here. I want to show it to you very well, so you don't miss out anything. So guys, today we are going to study about cards. I want you to understand this principle very, very, very well. The card is this one here. The card is this whole thing here that you are seeing. This is a card. It is called a card. You see this thing here? It is called a card. Members, are you seeing it? Members, are you seeing this? This is called a card. All of this is a card. When you go here, this website is made up of various cards. You see this card here, for example, mini flat in Goma for sale. This one here, when you go down here, you see this house here, which is still under construction. It is also made up of, this whole thing is made up of cards. Card here, card here. When you go down, there is a card here, a card here, a card here. So guys, are you seeing something like this? A card here, a card here. Guys, are you seeing this? So this principle I'm going to show you today is very, very, very crucial. Very crucial. I'm not likely to miss. So if you want more and more updates, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss up any of the upcoming videos, guys. Okay. So this is a card. I'm going to teach you this from scratch so you understand it very, very, very well. Okay? Okay. So members, I'm going to teach you this. I'm going to teach you this. Initially, this card looks like this. This card, when you're building this card here, it starts like this. They build it like this, as you can see it here. The way you see it, I want to make sure that is identical with this one here. When you see it wants to look identical. So there is a part for the image. The starting thing is this one here. This one is what they call a palette container. When you are building a card, even if it doesn't look here, even if you don't see that border here, but it's there. Even if you don't see that border there, but it's there automatically. You see? Let me remove it here. When you are building this card here, we start with this border here. This one is what they call a palette container. This one here is what I can call a palette container, or I call a palette box. A palette box or a palette parent container. So guys, are you seeing this? So guys, are you seeing this? Guys, are you seeing this? So this is what they call a parent container, and this is what they call this one here. When you are building this, it is a parent box. So guys, are you seeing this? Okay. So after this parent box here, you are seeing here, there is another box. There is another box. Now there is a box which is here, and this box here contains an image. Yeah? This one is another box, and this one is like a child box. I can maybe call this child 1. Yeah? I can maybe call this as child box 1. Members, are you seeing this? I need to mark this very, very, very well. Not so? Mark this very well. Yeah? You can maybe say child box 1. Yeah? Because it's inside the parent. You see it? It's inside the parent. Eh? It's inside the parent. Are you seeing it? So this child box 1 here you're seeing here is where we now put our, I bring my image out of the blue. I bring my image and I put my image inside here. This one here. And now my image is inside here. I put my image. And now this one is the image. You see this one here? This one here which you are seeing here. This one which you are seeing here, I put it as the image. Members, are you seeing this principle? Mark that principle very well. So members, are you seeing this principle here? To put this image, we put it inside the child box 1. Are you seeing this principle? Members, not this in your notebook somewhere. Are you seeing this principle, members? So this is how it looks initially. But as you see, it looks like as if it is not there, but it is there. Are you seeing it? It looks like as if it is not there, but when we reduce the spaces, it looks like as if it is not there, but it is there initially. It is there. So guys, this is how it looks. But there is a child container, there is child box 1, and now there is an image. These are 3 things. There is one, then there is 2, and now there is 3. Members, note this very well. Members, note this very well. Okay? So when we come here, now you see this price here where it is. There is another container here. There is another. This one, for this one, let me remove the color. There is another container here. It looks small. There is another container there. That is here. That this one is child box. This one here which you are seeing is child box. Child box 2. Members, are you seeing this? This is child box 2. Members, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this, members? This is child box 2. It is there. It is there. So this child box 2 here, which you are seeing here, is one which contains this text here. This text you are seeing here. UG US 45, this one here, million you are seeing. It is what contains this one here. Members, are you seeing this? I'm trying to break down for you this principle and you understand it very, very well. You see this? This child box 2 is what contains this one here. Members, are you seeing this? Understand from the beginning, members. Then there is another container we have here that contains this one here. There is another container that we have which contains this one here. Members, are you seeing? There is another container here which contains that one. Are you seeing? Which contains the text as you see it. 4 bedroom bungalow in Arkwright estate central division for sale. Remember, are you seeing this? There is another text which contains, there is another container here which contains this one here. Remember, are you seeing this? So members, are you seeing this? So this one here is child box 3. Members, get this principle from the beginning here. Get this principle from the beginning. Child box 3. Members, are you seeing this? This is child box 3. So there is another container here, which has another text here, which you can see here. Another container here, which has another text as you see it there, which has this text as you see it. It has a text which looks like this. There is another text here. It says Bwe Badja Arkwright estate for bedroom semi detached family bungalow for sale with corporate neighborhood. So guys, are you seeing this? So here I just want to narrow it down a little bit, and you see. So members, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this, members? So that one is another container here, which has something like this. Are you seeing? So this one here is child container 4. Are you seeing this? child container, child or child box 4. Members, are you seeing this? I'll first take my time. I explain this principle very well and you understand it. Eh? Take my time. I explain this principle very well and you understand it. Eh? So there is another container here. There is another container there as you see it. Eh? It has Kampala, it has central division. Hmm? Let me grab this text, I bring it there. So members, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? It has this small text here. Hmm? So this container is child container, child container, child container, child container 5, child box 5. Members, get this from the beginning, eh? Get this from the beginning, members. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Then there is another, the last container which is there, which is here. Eh? All these containers I'm trying to show you, they are there physically, but they are hidden. They are not shown physically, but they are hidden. You see, eh? You see, eh? Okay. So, let me first copy this, I bring it here. You will see there are like two buttons, 120 square meter, and there's another one for bedrooms. So members, there is something like this, eh? And this one here is the child box 6, eh? Child box 6, eh? So members, are you seeing this? Eh? So all these boxes there are there physically, they are there, but they are hidden. Guys, are you seeing this? Eh? Are you seeing this, guys? Eh? So that is how the principle of cards works. That is how it is. The principle of cards. That is how it is. You see it, eh? To make this complete card, it's like this. But then afterwards, they hide this container, they hide this container, they hide this one, then it turns out, then they just give color here, color boldness here, then here they change the color, then it becomes like a full card as you see it. Okay? Okay. So I hope you're not getting any challenge there. By this day here, I hope you don't have challenges with creating divs. I hope you don't have challenges with creating parent boxes. I don't have challenges with you creating child boxes. I hope you don't have any challenge at all by this day. Members, are you seeing it? I hope you don't have any challenges at all with creating these things by this day. Eh? You see, eh? I hope you don't have any challenge whatsoever. Eh? Okay, we are going to dive in. Eh? I hope you don't have challenges with that right now. Okay? Okay. So, let's dive in. Eh? When I come here, I'm going to come here and in my lesson, I said this is lesson 11. New file, I say this is day 11. Okay, I come here, I open with code, okay, I come here, I create my file index.html, index.html, very well. I come here, I create my style, it's coming a little bit slow, okay, it has come. I come here, I create my style, dot CSS, very well. I come here, I press shift and 1, brings for me that skeleton framework there. I come here, I do the browser reset. I say margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box. Okay, then I come here on my body. Here. I come, I give it width, I give it 100%. I come, I give my height 100 VH. I come, I give my background color. Maybe I can just give it like orange red. Okay. Then I come here, go live. I see how it looks like. I know why it's not working. Why is it working? You have not connected the CSS. I come here in my head, I link here, link CSS. Okay, it's there. Yeah, it's there. Now it has come very well. Okay. So I come here, index.html very well. I come here, I now create. Remember our lesson here. Remember what we are studying here in our lesson. Here, I want to replicate the same thing that is here. So I'm going to first create the parent box or the parent container. I come here, I say dot parent box. It comes here, you see the dot parent box, I've created it. I come here, I say dot parent box. I come here, I say width. I may just say maybe 300 pixels, and the height, I don't know the height yet, and I say maybe like will 70 VH work? And I say background color, white, maybe white. Okay, let us see how it looks like. It is there. Maybe let me first make it blue. I don't want to confuse you with white. Let me make it blue and you see. And maybe let me reduce this one to about like 200 pixels. Members, you see this very well. See it very, very well. This one is too small. It's too small. Maybe 250. Okay? Yeah, I think that one can work. Okay? I want to recreate this. I'm going to move to recreate this card here. I'm going to move to recreate this card here as you see it. I'm going to move to recreate this card as you see it. Okay? So I come here, my parent box. In my body, since my body is now the overall container with superpower, this body here, see, I want now put this container in the middle of the page here. I'm going to come on the body, this one, because the body is on outside, the parent box is on body is on outside the parent box. So it's one that I'm going to style. I come here on my body, I say display flex, align items, center, justify content, center. So when I do finish that, you see it is inside the center. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? I'm trying to create something like this, eh? Okay? Okay. So the parent box is done. This is the parent box. One which is blue, that is blue. Okay? Okay. So now what is next? Child box. One which is holding the what? The image. The child box, one that is holding the image. I come in my parent box, I create their child box. I create their div. I come here on the class, I name it child box. Guys, these names are random, they're not there within the system. Eh? Child box 1. Are you seeing this child box 1? Eh? Okay? It is there. Then I come here, I come here, I say outside, I say dot child box 1. I come, I give it width 100%. Then I give it height, then I say maybe 40%. Background color green. Okay? Okay. So when I come back here, you see it is coming, it's close to what I want. Are you seeing? Eh? Remember, are you seeing this? Eh? It's close to what I want, but my image is a little bit wide. Eh? So I'm going to increase the height a little bit. I'm going to say maybe 50%. I see. Maybe it's like that. Okay? Okay? Okay. So I have finished the child box 1, parent box, and the child box 1. You see this? But now in my child box there is an image. Are you seeing this image? I can come even here on Gigi. I look for that same exact house. It is here. I just come. I just save image as. I say house, just house. Okay? I come, I bring the image. It's there. I bring it inside my folder called the 11. I bring it here. Here. It is where? It is there. I can even change this from a WPL, from a web page to a web P to JPG. Okay? It's there. Then I come here. Inside the child box, I put the image. I use the image tag. Guys, if we did study, if you don't have any knowledge about this, please go back and watch our videos where we're studying about image tags like that. Eh? Okay. So I come here, I say slash house.jpg. Okay, it's there. So I come, it is there. Okay. So I'm just going to come on this house, on this image here, as you see it here. I give it like a name. I can even come here, I say image img, I give it width 100% and height 100%. Okay, as simple as that. So it will occupy 100% of what was there. You see now, guys, are you seeing this? I'm trying to replicate what is here, but now it has occupied this container here. You see this container, child box 1, it has occupied it very well. You see? So this is how it looks like. Members, are you seeing this? So members, are you seeing this? Are you seeing we have already done the first step? It's done. Are you seeing this, members? The first step is done. You see this? We are coming up with something like this. This whole thing is a card. So I come now on the child box 2. You see these members? So I was here, I did my parent box as you saw it. I did the child box 1, I put inside the image as you saw it. So now I'm going to div, I'm going to class child box 2 as you see it here. I come here, down here, I said the child box 2, I give it width, I give it 100%, then I give it height 10%, then I give it background color, let me use violet and I say it looks like. You see it is here. You see it, guys? Guys, are you seeing the child box 2? The child box 2, it occupies 100% of the height inside the box, and the height takes only 10%. Are you seeing this? Then now I'm free to put the price inside there. Okay, I can even come here, I put just copy the same exact price as it is inside there. I say UG USH SH, okay, 45 million. There, as you see it there, it is there. Okay, so even here it is here. So I'm just going to give it some padding for it to be looking very nice. I say padding maybe 0.5 rem. Remember, I think this, I think this, okay? Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Are you seeing, Are you seeing this, So this is how it looks like. Guys, are you seeing? Okay. So when I come here, as when I'm done with this, I just want to change the color, maybe to green. I come here, I change the color, green. You see it, it's there. Maybe I change the font boldness. Guys, if you don't know this, guys, if you're seeing this for the very first time, then you have missed some lessons. I'd request you go back and watch some of the lessons. 500 font weight, maybe 600. It's there. Try to copy something like this, and I've got it. Okay, it is there. Guys, are you seeing this? Guys, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? I can even come now and I just put even white. If I remove the violet color, I put white. And it's now looking exactly like close to what is here. Guys, are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Guys, are you seeing this? This is a card. Guys, are you seeing this? This is a card. It is a card. Okay? Okay. So when I come back, now there is another part that is coming here. So this is child box 3. Okay? Okay. So I can even just come here. I do div inside here. I say child class child box 3. Okay? As you can see it there. Then I come here. I can even just copy this one, the whole of this one for child 2. I bring it here. We just use the same knowledge we have been using. See? When I just change the color. Maybe background color I may just use maybe red for now. And I see how it looks like it is here. You see? I'm going to make something like this, not so? Okay? Okay. So I come here and my text here. My text here, I say for bedroom, for BDRM, for BDRM, bungalow in Arkwright Estate, bungalow in Arkwright Estate, Central Division for sale. Central Division for sale. Okay? Okay. So when I come back here, how this side looks like. So guys, are you seeing this? Guys, are you seeing this? Guys, are you seeing this? So when I come here, I just put some padding. So guys, are you seeing this? It is here. Let me just put some padding and you see. Maybe 0.8 rem I see. How it looks like. Okay, I'm seeing the problem. It's not padding. It is display flex, align items, center, justify content, center. You see this, guys? Okay, it is there. Then padding, maybe I may just say 0.5 rem. Okay, okay. So that's how it looks, guys. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? Then I just come here. I just use I use red as a text, a testing color. Then I come back. I use white. Are you seeing this, guys? Guys, are you seeing this? When I come back here, you can see. And I'm trying to replicate the same thing which is here. you seeing, guys? Guys, are you seeing this? Try to replicate the thing which is there. You see? Okay, so we are going step by step. So which container have I missed? I've done the pilot container, I've done the child box 1, I've done the child box 2, now we're going to child box 4. Yeah? Child box 4 and child box 5 and child box 6. I can even put all of them at the same time. Okay? Okay. So I can come here, I say dot child box 4. Enter. Then I come here, I say dot child box 5. Okay, and I come here, I say dot child box 6. Okay, it is there. Okay, it is there. Okay, okay. Then I come here, I give it some default styles. Because here you not see them unless when I style them first. That's when you will see them there. Okay, okay. So I can just come here, I grab like this one here and just replicate it a little bit. So I come, I copy this. I can just maybe name this as pink. And this is 4. I come, I put here, I say this is 5. This is red. Then I come here, I say this is box 6. Then here I say this is brown. Okay? Still the same thing, but we want to just apply something the same. So guys, are you seeing this? Already I've just done, you first use some dummy colors, then you change the colors the way you want. You see this? This was palette box 1, palette box 2, palette box 3, palette box 4, palette box 5, palette box 6. As you see them here. Are you seeing child box 6, child box 4, 5, up to child box 1? You see this? Okay? Okay. So here is Kampala Central Division. Let me first start with child box 5 and you see. Child box, because that one looks to be the easiest. I say here Kampala Central Division. Kampala Central Division. Okay? Okay. So it's right there already. You see? But now even if I remove this display flex here, you see? It's there, okay? As I want it. So even if I remove the color, I may just say maybe white color, background color. So 5 is done. So guys, 5 is done as you see here. Now I'm left with this one, 4 and 6. Okay? Okay. So when I come here, I say wherever this one looks below, okay? Wherever the Arkwright Estate, 4 bedroom. Okay, let's go. What can we see? Where Badger Arkwright Estate, Arkwright Estate, 4 bedroomed semi For bedroomed, Sebi. Detached family bungalow for sale. Detached family bungalow for sale. Okay? With corporate neighborhood. Corporate neighborhood. Neighborhood. Okay? It's there. Okay? Now it is there's now intermixing inside. So guys, this is how it looks. But now I'm going to use this. So guys, let's out of properties. If you don't know these properties right now, you will be facing big challenges and big issues by now. You see this, This is child box 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4. It is 4. How it looks like? Okay. It is still big. So you touch on the font size or font weight. Font size, I say smaller. Okay, it is there. I come here, I say padding 25 rem. Okay. No, padding is not working. Let me say display. Flex. Align items. Center. Center. Justify content. Center. Okay. I see. Okay, it's there. Then I come here, I say padding 0. Maybe 0.3 rem. I see. Okay, it's still there, it's still misbehaving. Let's say 0.5 rem. You see? Okay, it's still misbehaving. Then I say font size. Font size. Let me say smaller. Extra small, I see. No, this was not working out. Maybe let me see font size. Which one can I use? Smaller. Let me first use rems, I see. 1 rem. Okay. No. Let me use 0.3 rem. I see. Okay. 0.8 rem. Okay. It's coming. 0.7 rem. Okay. Then this one can work. Somehow close to what I want here, but it's kind of big. Maybe 7.5, I see. Okay, it's there. So I come here, I remove the background, I say maybe white. From pink to white. Okay? So guys, it's there. Guys, are you seeing this? Yeah? Are you seeing this? Yeah? Guys, are you seeing this? Yeah? So we are creating a card already. We are creating a card. We are trying to replicate something that looks here. Yeah? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So guys, if you don't know this right now, this is the concept of cards. Okay? So this child box 6 has two buttons, this one and this one here. So we come here inside the child box 6 here and we get two buttons. Button and also button. One 120 square meters is the one which has the first one. 120 square meters, and the other button has 4 bedrooms. 4 bedrooms. 4 bedrooms. Okay? Okay. So means how the buttons look like. They are there. But they are grey. So I come here, I just say outside here, I say buttons. I say border none. So I remove that border which is there. You see, they are there. So I come here, I say display maybe just say gap 0.5 rem. Okay, so I see it was not working. So unless I give this one display flex, line items set justify quoted space between. No, so it's not going to work for us. I say here gap 0.5 rem. I come here, I move this. Guys, are you seeing? Hope you're watching what I'm doing. Okay, it's there. So I'm trying to replicate something like this. So I may just come here, I say maybe align items, flex start. Maybe flex start not work. Let me see this one. Align items set just this. Okay, it's close to this. Line items self start. I see. Okay, it's close to what I want, but maybe let me first move this brown here. I maybe change the brown to white. So members, are you seeing it's close to what I want? Are you seeing? Guys, are you seeing this? It is what is happening almost here. Are you seeing? All I just want is make these buttons this side. I take these buttons that side. How am I going to do that? I'm going to show you in a second. So this one, let us first remove this reflex and align items and justify set, and we see something's not happening right. Okay, it's there. So guys, I'm trying to replicate that card and you see it very, 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 very well. You see this, eh? So that is how it looks. It wants to look exactly almost like this one here. So guys, are you seeing this, eh? Are you seeing this, eh? You can even polish it and make it even better and more nice looking. When I come here in the button, I say maybe padding. I say padding 0.3 rem. Okay, okay. So you see, guys, I'm trying to replicate the same card. So after doing all this nice thing, I can even come and I remove the color of the orange behind. Eh? And I just say maybe white from the orange. And it will appear like that. Almost like the same way it is happening here. Maybe the blue outside. Let me just say blue. No, let me say sky blue. Sky blue. Okay. See here outside is sky blue, eh? So even here. So guys, are you seeing I'm trying to replicate that card? Eh? Are you seeing this, eh? Wow, this is really nice, eh? So guys, I don't want you to miss any of the upcoming episodes, eh? So that is how we make a card. I hope you have seen it. I've shown you step by step from the parent container to the child box inside, then there is an image, then child box 2, then child box 3, child box 4, child box 5, child box 6. That is how we make a card. This whole thing is a card. When you come here to Uganda, it is full of cards as you see here. Cards all over. Even if I come here on the Jumia, you see Jumia, eh? This one as you see it. They are small cards. There's a card here, a card here, a card here, a card here. There are cards almost everywhere. A card here, a card here. You see this card, this one here, this card here, this card. I see all this. These are cards. The principle of cards does not change. Eh? It does not change, guys. Are you seeing it? So please practice. Please practice the concept of cards. I'm going to see you in the next our next video. We're going to talk about GitHub. Day 12. I would not like you to miss out. So guys, please, I would like you to practice this. Practice the concept of cards very well, and you master it very well. I hope to see you in the next video. Okay.